Well, hello there, I'm Jordi from Jordinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we are making Christmas meringues. This is the perfect recipe if you have some leftover egg whites. And the perfect recipe for Christmas. So, let's start. Meringues only need two ingredients. Egg whites and sugar. So start with adding the egg white to a bowl that's completely free from grease. Grease prevents the egg whites from getting airy. Whisk the egg whites until they are foamy and slowly add in all the sugar. Don't add it all at once, otherwise the egg whites will collapse. Go on until stiff peaks form. Grab a piping bag and scoop in all of the whipped egg white. Put some parchment paper on a baking sheet and pipe on little circles. Now add all of the decorations before they go into the oven. You are going to dry the meringues instead of baking them, so that's why you add the decorations now. Put them in the oven set on 90 degrees Celsius for between 2 and 3 hours. Plenty of time to do something else like annoying your dog. Let them cool inside the oven and you are done! Enjoy! And that's it! I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Let me know down in the comments what recipe you want to see next. And of course, I see you in the next video.